kauna-unahang sali ni Santa para sa Aquathlon Challenge.
Santa mo, samahan mo muna siya.
Baka hindi niya alam. Hayaan mo siya. Basta ikaw.
Exit after dito. Saan sila pupunta?
Dito po, sa left side.
Alam namin ngayon kung saan yung ruta nila ni scout namin.
Kita mo yung araw.
Tignan, kapag ka ikaw ilan ka ba? 1 kilometer ka, di ba?
2 kilometers.
Ikaw 2 kilometers. Since first time ni Santa, scouting kami kung saan siya iikot para sa kanyang 2 kilometers. Ganda ng araw dito sa Vermosa, oh. Mingi dyan ng Pocari, gano'n?
Pagpabalik.
Hinton.
Ayun, 500.
Diyan ka mag-U-turn. 500, 1 kilometer, tapos 2 kilometers.
Malayo pa.
Tonton, no, kay Clinton. Akyat baba pala to, no? Natandaan niyo sinabi ni Coach nyo? Bakit ka malilito?
Kasi 22.
Ano nakakalito dyan?
Yung mga turn.
Yung may signage naman, bakit ka malilito?
Ayun mo, yung pagbantay natin.
Mo sa track and field, oh. Tayo doon sa turn ng 1 kilometer.
Ayun mo, 1 kilometer.
Ito na si yung turn ni Tau Tau. Ayan, oh. Oh. Yan, ganun, di ba? Sa likod ang ikot. Yan, ganyan.
Ang layo naman ng akin.
Layo pa.
Oo, syempre.
May bike naman sa sana. 21 kilometer yung ano.
Triathlon yun.
Ang hirap.
Napagod na kayo, dito pa lang. Ha?
Malamig pa.
Galingan nyo. Masartalo kay mamaya ay Clinton. Tigi na place.
Sana.
Ayun na natin, ah. Saan? Santa? Ayun nga. Sige nga, tingnan lang natin dito sa camera. Anong oras ba laban? 6:30, di ba?
35.
Layo, Santa. Kilometer turn.
Layo na.
Hindi na kami pabalik. Pinapag-gather up na sila sa pool.
Bata nandun sila na mag-aalala sa'yo ha. Good luck, good luck. Strong. Good. Good luck ha. Go, 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 go. Out.
Gani! Gani!
9% pa lang. Pala?
9% pa.
Clinton. So I can see that, grabe, you can really see the fighting spirit of both these boys. Talagang hindi sila tumitigil. You can really see their training. 30 seconds left, and we will have wave 2.
Ito si Clinton.
And Aspen is just fighting and fighting. Let's go.
Go, Clinton! Go, Clinton! Go, Clinton! Galing eh. Congratulations!
Thank you, thank you.
Yung pala. Oo nga eh.
Layo pala kasi.
Second sa bitaw yun. Babae na to.
Wala si Clinton. Wala si Tau-Tau.
Nakikita natin our ages 11. How old are you guys? 11? 11 years old. Atak na atak. 11 to 12. Nakapasok to na sila. Okay. Okay, we have about 20 swimmers in the pool. Ages 7 to 10.
Wala yun. Laway-laway lang yun.
Saan? Diyan natin makikita yung lakas sa Santa. Kaya nga. 30 seconds to go. And then sila Santa na.
Pantay na pantay. 11-year-old male status.
Yeah, sabay-sabay sila, babe. Malakas yung kalaban niya na isa, ha? At sakto lang yan.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano yung lilipat sa kabila? Naunahan niya yan, kaya niya. Asan yung kalaban niya, babe? Hindi, iba na yun. Ah, okay. Ilang taon ba yung kalaban?
It's truly inspiring to see it battle it out.
Hindi.
To have the grit to race, and of course at the same time,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hindi ko na nakita. Asa na?
So this is our last week for the
Sunday.
Our last 4 athletes to hit the water.
Ah, ito na. Ayan o. Nandito sa gilid. Ayan o. Tama ba? Ayun o, ayun siya. Ayun siya.
And those were all our 11 to 12-year-old athletes. You see them battling it out, swimming hard here in the 6 lanes of the pool.
Huwag ka na humabol. Doon nandun sila, Mati. Diyan ka na lang, oh. Doon ka na lang. Doon ka pumesto.
Magpapalit siya ng sapatos.
Teenagers dive into the pool. So during the thing, I would like to
O, pumesto ka na doon, babe.
thank you so much, sponsors, for making this event, this aquaplon.
Pumesto ka na dun.
We have Ayala Verbosa Sports Hub reminding us to play
Asan siya?
cool. Please observe cleanliness. We have designated trash cans all around. So
Saan?
please throw your trash accordingly. Thank you, Athletes House, My Daily Collagen, Rain King, Wishy, Taurus, Landers, Rev, Pocari, our official hydration partner, Potato Corner, Right Lines, Front Runnings, Turhog, who take care of our post-race meal, and 3006 at beer. Also, you will see out medic tents all around. The medic tents, it's for anyone that would need something medical to attend to. So for parents, supporters, coaches,
Ano siya, babe?
in any assistance, please just approach stand bed a little bit beside the transition area.
Ito yata siya. Ayan, oh.
Ang galing talaga ng ating mga kids. Padami na ng padami ang finish for today.
Ayan, oh. Sino yung katabi niya? Babae ba yun? Lalaki? Oh.
Tita Alex, if you're there by the finish line, you can remind the kids that they have a post-race meal care of Turog. They can go ahead and eat that already and be energized because then later, right before awarding, we're going to have a few games for them.
Yes, thank you, JB. For our finishers, we do have the post-race meal care of Tuhog. So I know all that racing could make you hungry. Available na po ang ating post-race meal dun sa main stage natin.
Minutes and 30 seconds before we start the teams category.
Again, all our finishers post-race meals are available here on the stage. The next few for our race. More finishers here. Ang gagaling ng ating kids sumunod.
Santa, all out, Santa!
9, 8, 7, 6,
All out, Santa!
3, 2, 1.
Abner! Come on, Lab! Come on, let's go! Get in on the run! Come on!
Lalakas na kalaban.
Less than a minute before we start our male team.
For all finishers again, we have the post-race meal here at the Tuhog.
30 seconds left.
Ayan siya. nag-aantay sa finish line. Nandun naman sila Mati, sila Gabi. Doon sa mga turns and hydration spots.
Go!
This is Santa. Go Santa! Hirap! Yes, sprint! Yun! Ulit ka ba ulit? Ulit ka ba?
Ayoko!
Ayaw mo na lang ano?
Next year na!
Next month ulit. Ha?
Next year na! Ayun o, mga RP team.
Next month daw ulit, next month. Ano okay sa inyo next month? Ha? Pagod ka baby? Ha? Ang bilis ng isa, no? No? Yun yung kasabay mo sa pool. Ha? Yung matangkad? Ha? Yun yung nauna mo ng konti sa pool, di ba?
Hindi ko naunahan.
Hindi mo naunahan?
Hindi. Pang third ata ako makakita.
Ngayon kami sa awarding. Hi Tao! Balik na kami! Congratulations, ang cute ng ating mga finishers.
I know. I can't imagine they were just at the PL kanina, and we were cheering them on, and we were telling them there. I want to help with the time of 9 minutes and 3 seconds. We have para lang the kids. Second place, 10 minutes and 48 seconds. We have Nathaniel Rafael Macasen from Siem Reap. With a total time of 10 minutes and 26 seconds, we have, give it up for Genesis Ferrer! Congratulations, Genesis, Nathaniel, and Paul. Put it up! Put up here, 9 to 10 years old. This is your winning moment. Thank you so much, Jen. Thank you. Super Alphabet Kids Freedom, 9 to 10. 9 to 10 years old. There were 15. We award the third place, 10 minutes and 56 seconds. Third place goes to Brianna Eva Miranda. Congratulations. Third place, 15 minutes, 55 seconds. We have Abraham Nicholas Alfonso. Second place with 14 minutes and 50 seconds. We have 39 seconds. We have Luke Weisberg.
Nakakuha ng mga medal to mga kulo. Dalawang first, isang third. Ang galing! Palit na mukha ni Clinton eh. Nasilaw siya, nasilaw. Bakit? Yeah! Yeah! Okay. The end. That's the end of the day. Kami. Dami nag-participate. Sobrang daming tao.
Through you,